In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Gumroad account. To start, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to receive payments with. Once your dashboard loads, you'll see your usual overview of products, sales, and customers. From here, look toward the navigation options and click on Settings. This is where Gumroad keeps all of your account configuration, including your payout details and payment connections. Give the page a moment to load, and then we're going to move into the section that actually controls how you get paid. Inside Settings, click on the Payments tab. This is where Gumroad manages your payout methods. Before Gumroad will let you connect Stripe or any alternative payment method, you first need to have a valid bank account set up. Think of the bank account as the base destination for your money, and Stripe as an additional option that becomes available once that base is in place. Scroll down until you see the Payout Method section. At the top of this area, you'll find the fields for adding your bank account. Take your time here, because any mistakes can delay your payouts. First, click into the field labeled something like Pay to the Order of or Account Holder Name. Type in your full name exactly as it appears on your bank account, or the official name of your business if it's a business account. Consistency with your bank records is important to avoid verification issues. Next, you'll see a field for your SWIFT or BIC code. This is an identifier for your bank, especially important for international transfers. Click into that field and enter the correct code provided by your bank. If you're unsure, log into your online banking or contact your bank to confirm it. After that, click into the account number field and carefully type in your bank account number. Double-check each digit. To help prevent typos, Gumroad will usually ask you to confirm it. So in the Confirm Account Number field, type the same number again, making sure both entries match exactly. You'll also see an option to choose the account type. Click there and select whether your account is an individual or a business account, depending on how your bank account is set up. Below, you'll find additional fields for your name and address. Fill those out completely and accurately, matching your banking or tax details as closely as possible. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Once your bank account is successfully added and saved, Gumroad should now display the option to connect Stripe or other alternative payment methods. At this point, you can click the button to connect to Stripe and follow the on-screen